Good morning, my favorite second graders. How are you today? Let's get started with calendar. The month is October. I see that yesterday was October 19th. If yesterday was the 19th, then today is the 20th, October 20th. Let's put it into the date. In number form, 10, 20, 2020. In word form, remember, you'd have to write out the whole thing. October 20th, 2020. I know that today is Tuesday. So if today is Tuesday, hop backwards to yesterday. Looking back at the calendar, hopping back to yesterday, what was it? It was Monday. So if yesterday was Monday and today is Tuesday, then tomorrow will be Wednesday. Adding another unit, I notice that we still have two sets of 10, which makes 20, and we have 5 ones. When we put that together, we have 25 days of school so far. I've been really excited now because we can pull down one coin to show 25 cents. Which coin is it? Yep, it's the quarter. 25 cents. Remember, you should know these words. Down. People. Now. Other. Out. Month. Let's get our magical number. Oh, 1. All right, let's count by tens, but today let's go the right way. We're not going to start at 111 today. Today we'll start at 1. Here we go. 1, 11, 21, 31, 41, 51, 61, 71, 81, 91, 101, 111. Let's move this over. And let's get our middle number, 85. What is 1 less than 85? It is 84. 1 more, so think about it, 84, 85, 86. Now let's find 85 and let's recognize what 10 less and 10 more is. And let's fill it in. If this is 85, 10 less is 75. If this is 85, 10 more is 95. All right, 600. 646. Ooh. All right. So let's see. Let's put our number here, 646. Let's recognize what 100 less. So let's go to our hundreds. If we take away 1, because we're doing 100 less, then we are at 546. What would be 100 more if you added another 100 here? 746. Good job today.